The one thing that I want us to start with is I want you to look at our new driving idea. All things change over time. We've talked a little bit about that, but I want you to look at the word change. Change means something to many different people. I want you to jot down your thoughts on what does change mean to you. Let's just talk about the word change in that first. And maybe you want to make a concept map.
Gets older?
Okay, if that's what it means to you, I want you to write down all the things that when you think of change, what does that mean to you? What is change? Then we'll get into groups and we'll have a little discussion and a negotiation on what change means. After that, then I want to know your questions. What questions do you have about the change and how things maybe change over time? But first, let's start with change. I want to know what it means to you. What does the word change mean? So I'm going to give you a white piece of paper. When you get back to your desk, I want you to write down all of your thoughts. What does change mean to you? What does it mean to you? What does it mean to you? And then we'll have a chance to have some conversations. Okay? So let's just focus on the word change.
It makes the people have to constantly close and learn.
What are you thinking about writing?
Like stuff gets older.
Absolutely. Stuff gets older. How about you, Bailey? What are you thinking? Has change mean to you?
It's like something's different.
Oh, something's different. I didn't think of that. Okay. Very good. What does it mean? What changes? Anything. Maybe you want to make a list of things that change. Maybe you want to think of things in your house or things in your life that change. Or oh, why else? What else does this word mean? Maybe when you're outside of school. Oh, what do you mean by that? Write me more. Okay, the word time. I want to know what that means to you. Why is that change to you? Why else do things become old? Those new things that you're talking about. I'm going to walk away and I want you to think about that. Why does something become old then? Why do these brand new things become old? Okay. About one more minute. Wow, I love some of these thoughts. I would like us to come form a circle. Ooh. Come form a circle over here and let's have a conversation. What does change mean to you? Bring your papers. Leave your pencils. I would like to have a little negotiation. Is it okay if at the end of our conversation your thoughts have changed?
Mm-hmm. I hate wearing a new dress. Like when? Leggings. Like when somebody's making something that's new.
When somebody's making something that's new.
My mom made something new last night. What?
What does change mean to you? What does change?
Like your mom is having a new baby sister and a new baby brother. Your family's going to change with another sibling.
Families change.
Schools change.
Schools
Because
change?
Joseph's school is different because he had PE outside, and we had PE inside.
Okay?
I think like when you get older and you get out of school.
Your life changes when you get older and you get out of school. You change. You don't over on the tables. On your own, I want you to think of change. Looking at those books over here, not yet though. Looking at those books, I want you to think about things that you wonder. Jackson, I'm over here. I want you to think about things that you wonder. What do you wonder about change? What do you wonder? Just looking at those books, maybe reading them through the pictures. What questions do you have about change and what you're seeing in these books?
Change.
Okay? You are going to now write questions. Who can repeat the direction of what you're to do next? Writing a what? Okay, so what are you looking through these books? What questions do you have when you're thinking about the word change? What does that mean to you in the word change?
That like people can change
Any questions you have about that? Do you wonder that? Go for it. Write that down. Write that down. Any questions you have about clothes and change?